Chemical flame retardants are intended to reduce the combustibility of consumer products. These chemicals are widely used in a slew of consumer products such as foam-based furniture, carpeting, mattresses, and infant products. Since the early 2000s, the chemical flame retardant FireMaster 550 has become one of the most commonly used. This flame retardant contains brominated and organophosphate compounds, which have been shown to leach from the products to which they are applied and accumulate in house dust. One scientific gap in knowledge is how FireMaster 550 exposure may impact social behavior. To assess this gap, a Prairie Vole animal model was used, as these animals exhibit pro-social behaviors, including social monogamy and biparental care. The vehicle animals received a subcutaneous injection of 20 microliters of vehicle, while the experimental group received a subcutaneous injection of a 1,000 microgram dose of FireMaster 550 mixed into 20 microliters of vehicle. Vole dams were exposed throughout gestation, and pups were exposed beginning the day after birth until weaning. 24 sexually naive females and 14 sexually naive males were individually partnered with an adult animal of the opposite sex for 24 hours to allow for pair bond formation. At the end of the 24-hour partnering period, the strength of the test animal's mate preference was assessed via partner preference test. The partner preference test was conducted using a 3-chambered arena where the test animal's partner was placed in one outer chamber, and a stranger animal of opposite sex of the test animal was placed in the other outer chamber. The test animal was placed in the middle chamber, and the time spent with the stranger and partner was measured. All tests were video recorded by a camera suspended above the arena for later analysis completed using the software TopScan. From the data collected, a partner preference index was calculated by subtracting the time spent with the stranger animal from the time spent with the partner animal, divided by the total time spent with both. The main figure displayed on the poster examines the variation among partner preference index from the first hour to last hour of the test by group. Notably, the vehicle male and FireMaster male groups had an initial preference for the partner animal, and this preference was increased as the test progressed. The vehicle female group initially preferred the partner animal, but this preference diminished entirely by the end of the test. The FireMaster female group initially preferred the partner animal, and there was negligible change in this preference throughout the test. Corroboration of the findings presented are provided through analysis of the duration of time each animal group spent with the partner and stranger animals, as well as through analysis of bouts. These figures are seen in the right column of the poster. Ultimately, among female animals, FireMaster exposure enhanced every metric assessing partner preference strength, including the partner preference index, duration of time spent with the partner and stranger animals, as well as the recorded number of bouts. The observed partner preference of the FireMaster female group directly juxtaposes the partner preferences displayed by unexposed females, as this group showed minimal preference for either animal by the end of the test. I would like to thank Dr. Amanda Krenzel, Dr. John Meitzen, and David Doris for their help and mentorship throughout this project.